Hello and welcome back to G-Kun here. I haven't uploaded in a long time, to be honest. I had so much things to do. So today we're gonna make a tiny furnace array, 9 furnace, with an infinite fuel, which is carpet. We're using carpet duper here. So let's just get on to the building. First things first, you gotta place the chest. The collection chest. We'll get into that later. You place one hopper right there and just connect it all. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then let's just put the furnace on top. That's for the item collection, and you put hoppers also on top, 9 hoppers. And in the back also put 9 hoppers. So that's 27 hopper. That's for the hopper system. And then you can start the minecart system like that and place some rails. Place some rails to connect it. Like so. So that's how it is looking right now. And put a redstone block right here to power all these rails. And then on top of these, right next to this hopper, you can put the slab, whatever slab you want. So as you can see right there, it's not powered. That's what we're gonna power next. So then we can make the carpet duplicator again. Put right there 2 slime blocks. This carpet duplicator, okay, I'm missing one observer, so we can just add one observer in that time. Place an observer facing that way. You put a block under here. Now after you've done with that, you can put your carpet on top, and then we can put double chest in here. Just put it in front, double chest right there, and put a block right here, put a block right here. So now we can place the minecarts. 2 minecarts right there. After that, we can place the lever down here. Now basically it is complete. You can just put 2 levers, but let's just make everything connected to each other so it's easier. And let's put the carpet duplicator so that it's not spilling to the side. And you put this right there, you put a double right here, put right here, and in front of the carpet, let's see, right in front of that carpet, you can place a fence gate so that the item didn't launch to the front. Let's put our minecart again, minecart with hopper. Basically it is complete, but if you don't want the spilling again, you're gonna need this obsidian. Why obsidian? So that because slime blocks can attach to this type of block, but it can attach to this obsidian, or you can replace it with terracotta, but obsidian is just way easier to get. Okay, and after that, and if you don't want obsidian, let's just say terracotta, we can just put 1 terracotta over there. It doesn't matter, so as long as it doesn't get pulled by this slime block. Okay, now basically everything is done. You can just put everything there, but let's just connect everything. 1, 2, you put 1, 2, 3 right here. and then you place a redstone torch. Okay, you place a redstone torch over here. Okay, it's the wrong one. We need to go 3 here. You place a redstone torch, and on top of this, and then you can make this. Now you can place 2 redstone on top of that, and look at that, it's all running. Let's turn it off. This is turned off, and now it's all running. Okay, it's a bit loud. Let's turn it down a bit. The sound, the blocks. Okay. As you can see, the carpet is duplicating, and the minecart hopper is getting all the carpet that duplicated and distributed all the way here. This one hasn't received any fuel because the minecart hopper can't pick 9, doesn't have time enough. But if you fill these up, let's just fill these up to the brim. Fill this all up. Fill this all up with carpet. And then this one will start getting some carpet. If I can see. Okay, it hasn't, because it hasn't filled up yet. Okay, let's just fill it all up. So you want to do is you want to fill this entire thing up before using it, using this carpet duper. This carpet duper is designed by Rayworks. So you can just turn it off, and then you put your item, whatever item you want. Let's just put some stone in it. Put some stone like that, and then turn it on, and everything turned on just like that. You have a good furnace array. I mean, this is good for early game, but if you want to smelt more, build it even bigger. Now let's talk about this one right here. This one basically I doubles everything. Look at that, it's still using the same type of concept like this, but this time I get the redstone torch to up here, so that this is 2 carpet dupers on top of each other, just like that. And if we power this, everything starts to working. And you need 2 minecart hoppers for this design to work. So basically, why I don't recommend building this one is because this 2 minecart hoppers in each other, that will cause some problem, and you will have to, like, if it broke, so like this 2 minecart like separated like this. If you place it while it's running, it's gonna be like this. Look at that, and that's gonna break the entire system. But if you just turn it off and you break this one, and while it's stopped running, you can put inside one more. It may cause some, when you're rendering some chunks, and or after you travel far away and then you come back while this machine is running, it's gonna cause some problem, and that problem is what I just shown you. That one minecart is gonna be separated. So let's test this one first. The stone, everything is there, and everything is collected to this chest. This is pretty slow, but if you just want a tiny furnace array, you don't want a big one, you can just build this one. It's resource friendly. There's nothing too much. only the slime blocks probably, and you need 1 quartz for this observer. Other than that, everything is good. You need some gold to build to get all these rails, and that's about it. For this big one, let's test it if it works or not. For this one, let's just put sand. Put a lot of sand on top of this, right like that. Let's see, everything turns on just like that. So that's about it. I will leave the world download to both of these, to this world specifically. You can have the small one, you can have a bigger one like this. I'm gonna put everything down below in a world download, and I'm gonna put the credits also. You can check out Rayworks channel. I get this from him. So that's about it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.